Good morning, student. It's me, Atul Verma, Babu Banarsi Das University, Lucknow, School of Computer Application. Now, today we are going to discuss about DSS, user interface, and goal-seeking analysis.
Management Information System. Goal seeking analysis. What is a goal seeking analysis? A goal seeking analysis searches what components are needed in order to meet specific goals. For example, say that I am the plant manager for General Motors. I could develop goals for how many cars I would like to sell. So let's say that the goal is to earn rupees in millions in profit alone, with sale coming directly from the new cave Thai. Say that there are three new models that retail for, there is some amounts is written here, 45,000, 65,000, and 10 lakh. With the help of data from the variety of spending pattern, trends of SUV sales, just to name a few, the input is compiled into the DSS support system, and managers are given a figure of how many units are needed to be sold in order to reach a profit of rupees 2 million. The data that is compiled to assist managers in making their decision comes from and can be compiled into data mart, data warehouse, and database. Goal seeking analysis determine the least amount of unit that are needed to be sold in order to earn rupees 2 million in profit. It could state that the more expensive model will sell a larger number of units. However, these will take a lot of longer than just selling several units of the more expensive model. Also, goal seeking analysis looks for things other than profit alone. Goal seeking analysis also looks for how many units will need to be sold in order to make breaking even points, or how many units need to be sold in order to generate enough money to cover overhead. There are a variety of ways that these method can be applied. In addition, goal seeking analysis is just a single element that takes part of a decision support system. What is decision support system? DSS, and what role does goal seeking analysis play? Here is the question. Let's find out the answer. In short, a decision support system is a type of information system that is run by computers and arrange a wide variety of data that helps managers to make appropriate choice concerning organizational and businesses related activities. The data is compiled by computers and transferred into charts, scale. In addition to a wide variety of ways that allow random variables and statistics to be useful. Business models are also compiled from all of the given data, which can not only be used to make decisions but can be used to see what potential problem could develop. Some potential information that can be compiled consistency of sales figure, customer relation or spending pattern and consumer demographic goal seeking analysis simply inform managers what based on the arranged data requirement needed to be met in order to reach their goal. The data is compiled by computer and transformed in the chart scale in addition, okay, to a wide variety of ways that allow random variable and static to be useful, okay, but can be used to see what potential problem could develop. Some potential information that can be compiled consist of seal figure and lots of things, okay. A decision support system example in everyday life. A real life example is Amazon.com. Amazon.com has a huge warehouse of products available online. Amazon.com, Flip.com, there is lots of e-commerce sites available in market. When consumers make a purchase like a Blu-ray player, the data from the individual purchase is stored and managers can see how well particular brands are selling. Say a Sony Blu-ray player was purchased. Managers could take the data and compile it and could also pair the player with a new HD television in order to help the Blu-ray player to sell faster. On the other hand, since Blu-ray players are so new and rather expensive in comparison with traditional DVD player, managers could offer discontinued Blu-ray DVD with every purchase of a player. This was the case when Blu-ray player and SD player first come out. Managers had to determine which of these two brands would trump and which machine should be dropped from a company's website. Sales records and data from customer purchase were compiled and manager took these information and determined what the best course of action would be. In the long run, Blu-ray player in addition to Blu-ray DVD outsold SD DVD and SD player become the standard for the ultimate move experience. Eventually, due to slow sale, SD player and DVD are not longer sold through Amazon.com. The data compiled from the consumer purchase allow manager to take the decision on what format would tell better. However, decision support system is not just a matter of determining what goals need to be met in order to reach maximum profitability. It is composed into three different parts which are as follow. First, sensitive analysis, which is study of how different variable affect one another when changes occur. For example, sticking with the example from Amazon, When DVD players become cheaper due to new technology, such as Blu-ray player, DVD sales are affected. Money that could have been spent by consumer on regular DVDs is now directed toward the sale of Blu-ray player. A change of sale of DVD will affect the sale of dual player. Sale could decrease due to the new technology, or sale could skyrocket due to the falling price on DVD players. Change does not just affect on element, it is also affect surrounding product. What if analysis is used to determine what sum of possible changes could be on a theoretical solutions. For example, say that I am selling 100,000 Blu-rays player within 1 month over Amazon.com. In addition, say that I am to lower the price of the player by 20% to increase the sale and reach my quota. What if analysis come into the to play, but showing what the possible outcome could be. Blu-ray could become more popular or less popular, and sales could remain constant regardless of the given discount. Goal seeking analysis is the most important portion of DSS, in my opinion, because of compiles all of the given data and determining what input are required to reach a specific goal. Sensitivity analysis it great and can be used to determine what portion of DSS affect one and other. However, it does not look at the bottom line. It just demonstrates how portion interact with one and other. In addition, what if analysis just look at the possibility and given scenario. It attempt to determine how will thing could or could not go. These are both great, however, they fail to look at the overall picture. In order to reach goal, these specific requirements to be met. In addition, what if analysis use goal seeking analysis? It looks at what number and goal are required in order to well, just average and to do poorly. The whole purpose of DSA is to compile raw data into useful information that managers can use effectively and apply it to organization and business decision. There is a decision table. Decision table are as a consensus visual presentation for specific which action to perform depending on given conditions. They are algorithmic whose output is a set of actions. The information expressed in decision table could also be represented as decision tree or in a programming language as a series of if then else and switch cases statement. Overview. Each decision corresponding to a variable, relation or predicted whose possible value are listed among the condition alternative. Each action is a procedure or a operation to perform, and the entries specific whether or in what order the action is to be performed for the set of condition alternative and entry corresponds to make them more conscious. Many decision table include in their condition alternative and do not care symbol. These can be a hyphen or blank. Although use a blank of discourage as it may merely indicate that the decision table has not been finished. One of the uses of decision table is to reveal condition under which certain input factors are relevant on the action to be taken, allowing these input tests to be skipped and thereby streamlining decision making procedures. Aside from the basic four quadrant structure, decision table vary widely in the way the condition alternative and action in trays are represented. Some decision table use simple true false value to represent the alternatives to a condition. Similarly to if then else. Other table may use numbered alternative similar to switch cases, and some table even use physiologic or probabilistic representation for condition alternatives. In a similar way, action entries can simply represent whether an action is to be performed, check the action to perform, or in more advanced decision table, the sequencing of action to perform, number the action to perform. A decision table is considered balanced or complete if it includes every possible combination of input variables. In other words, balanced decision table prescribe an action in every situation where the input variable are like such table. Okay. Why decision table testing is important? Decision table testing is important because it helps to test different decision table. Combination of condition and provide better test coverage for complex business logic. When testing the behavior of a large set of input where set behavior differs with each set of input. Decision table testing provides good coverage and the presentation is simple, so it is easy to interpret and use. In software engineering, boundary value and equivalent partition are other similar techniques used to ensure better coverage. They are used if the system shows the same behavior for a large set of input. However, in a system where for each set of input value the system behavior is different, boundaries value and equivalent partitioning technique are not effective in the ensuring good test coverage. In this case, decision table testing is a good option. This technique can make sure of good covers and the representation in simple so that it is easy to interpret and use. This table can be used as the reference for the requirement and for the functionality development since it is used to understand and cover all the combinations. The significance of this technique become immediately clear as the number of input increase. Number of possible combination is given by this formula 2 to the power n, where n is the number of input for n equals to 10, which is very common in the web based testing having big input form. The number of combination will be 1024. Obviously you cannot test all, but you will choose a rich subset of the possible combination using decision based testing technique. Advantage of decision table testing: when the system behavior different for different input and not same for a range of input, both equivalent partitioning and boundary value analysis would not help, but decision table can be used. Third point, the representation is simple so that it can be easily interpreted and is used for development and business as well. Fourth point, this table will help to make effective combination and can ensure a better coverage for testing. Fifth point, any complex business combination can be easily turned into decision table. And sixth point, in a case we are going for 100% coverage, typically when the input combination are low, these techniques can ensure the coverage. What is sensitive analysis? Sensitive analysis is a quantitative model and is part of the decision support system or DSS, which model information to support manager and business professional during the decision making process. According to business driven information system by Bulls and Phillips, sensitive analysis is defined as the study of the impact that changes in one or more parts of model have on other parts of the model. Users changes the value of one variable repeatedly and observe the resulting changes in other variable. This is the reason why sensitive analysis is part of DSS, because it is used to deliver variable information for decision makers. How is it used? According to wikianswer.com, sensitivity analysis is a type of analysis that show how a particular scenario can be affected by multiple variables. A good example is Microsoft Excel application. When one creates a model calculation for monthly home mortgage, Excel can provide expected results using variables in sensitivity analysis model. Interestingly enough, some expert refers sensitivity analysis to what if analysis. According to Dan Power, an editor from sresource.com, There are four tools in Excel that are categorized as what if or sensitive analysis tool. They are data table, goal seeking scenario, and solver. Okay. Further, he mentioned that some Excel expert use the term sensitivity analysis model and what if analysis interchangeable. In Wikipedia, sensitive analysis referred to the study of how the variation of uncertainty in the output of a model can be appropriated qualitatively and quantitatively to different resources of variation. The sensitive analysis model relies on the output of a mathematical model, such as a series of equations, input factors, parameters, and variables. Mathematical models use mathematical language to describe system. Further, the best explain that sensitivity analysis is used widely at the national and the international government, such as the White House Office of Management and Budget of the US Environment Protection Agency and the European Commission. This is because sensitivity analysis model involve variable input as necessary and essential ingredient for quality assurance. Sensitivity analysis model is used best for what if analysis to explore the impact of variable input of assumption and scenarios. We may not realize that sensitive analysis is a very common tool in business and financial application. Risk analysis, environmental models such as global climate model, Wikipedia.org states that sensitivity analysis can serve as a tool to understand the various sources of uncertainty and the model output, although different sampling strategy may be recommended to cover multi-variety sensitive analysis. Definition: in order to be able to evaluate beforehand the impact of strategic or tactical moves so as to plan optimal strategies to reach their goals. Decision maker needs reliable predictive system. What if analysis is a data intensive simulation whose goal is to inspect the behavior of a complex system, such as the corporate business or a part of it, under some given hypothesis called scenario. In particular, what if analysis measure how changes in a set of independent variable impact a set of independent variable with reference to give simulation model. Such a model is a simplified presentation of the business tuned according to the historical corporation data. In particular, formulating a scenario enabled the building of a hypothetical world that the analysis can then query and navigate. Historical background thought: what if analysis can be considered as a relatively recent discipline. Its background is rooted at the confluence of different research areas, some of which data back to some decades ago. First of all, what if analysis lends some of the technique developed with the simulation community to contextualize them for business intelligence. Simulations are used in a wide variety of particular contexts, including physics, chemistry, biology, engineering, economics, and psychology. A huge literature has been written in this field over the year, mainly regarding the design of simulation, experiment, and the validation simulation model. Another relevant field for what if analysis is economics that provide the insight into business process. A set of alternative approach to forecasting are survived and useful guidelines. Selecting the best ones according to the availability and reliability of knowledge are given. Finally, what if analysis heavily relies on database and data warehouse technology. So, data warehouse system have been playing a leading role in supporting and decision process over the last decade. They are aimed at supporting analysis of past data, what was, rather than giving a conditional anticipation of further trend, what if. Nevertheless, the historical data used to reliably build what if prediction are normal taken from the enterprise data warehouse. Besides, there is a tight relationship between what if analysis and multi-dimensional modeling since input and output data for what if analysis are typically stored within cubes. In particular, in the SESAME system for formulation and efficiency evaluation, what if query on data warehouse is represented here. Scenario are defined as order set of hypothetical modification on multidimensional data. Finally, they are relevant similarly between simulation modeling for what if analysis and the model of extraction, transformation, and loading application. In fact, both ETL and what if analysis can both be seen as a combination of elementary process, each transforming an input data flow into an output. A what if application is certainty on a simulation model that establishes a set of complex relationship between some business variable corresponding to the significant entities in the business domain. For example, product branches, customer, cost, revenue, etc. A simulation model support one or more scenario each describing one or more alternative way to construct a prediction of interest for the user. The prediction typically take the form of multi-dimensional cube whose dimensioning and measuring corresponding to business variable to be interactive explored by the user by means of any one line analytical processing OLAP from end and scenario is characterized by a subset of business variable called source variable and by set of additional parameters called scenario parameter that the user has to value in order of execute the model and obtain the prediction. While the business variable are related to the business domain, scenario parameter convey information technical related to the simulation, such as the type of regression adopted for forecasting and the number of past year to be considered for regression. Distinguishing source variable aiming business variable is important since it enables to use to understand which are the levers and she can independently adjust to drive the simulation. Each scenario may give rise to different simulation one for each assignment of the source variable and the scenario parameters. Thanks.